this is a 2005 Suzuki Grand Vitara, and we're getting ready to change the starter, and I want to give you guys a listen at the old one, and then I'm going to make a video of the new one. Okay, so that was a little slow. Then we're going to change the starter and see what the video does, see what the starter sounds like when it's new. 2005 Suzuki Grand Vitara starter replacement. It's right there. Oh yeah, it's up there.
Look at the bolts on the back there of the muffler here, Lincoln. See them? Right there.
Oh, yeah.
Those are easy to get to. It looks like you got an extension and a swivel. I don't know.
How many bolts are there? Just two?
I see two. Lincoln, that's all you see in it?
Yeah, looks like two.
Yeah.
Oh, where's the new starter?
It's right on your bench.
Usually they have three, but I guess it depends the size of the starter.
Yeah, looks like it's only two.
Oh, cool. Where the heck's it at, Dad?
Hey, look at that. There's only two bolts on that sucker.
Nice.
Yeah.
Most starters have three usually.
Yeah. Well, this ain't. It's not very big.
No, just
You got a light, Lincoln.
yeah. Well. Oh, you must have got a little stuck there. So I can get that ain't a good place to fill.
Still fucking up.
I bet it is. It just got shut off, basically. There's one.
That's hot.
Oh, it's all the way up there, isn't it? Oh, I see it. I see it. There it is. Let's see that. Those are the starter bolts.
That's kind of weird.
There's the starter. There's the starter, guys.
Double swivel.
Huh?
Double
Weird
swivel.
how my brake line works. I got one brake line that comes down, right?
Yeah.
And it goes into this. It's, from there, it goes into another. This brake line here goes over here to this. And then from here, they take the brake line from here and go here.
That's
To
weird.
this one.
That's weird.
I'll show you because I'll show you. It's pretty wild.
I've never
and
seen
there's
that.
one bleeder that bleeds both backs. It's over here.
Huh.
One for both?
Yeah,
That's weird. I've never seen that before.
that's pretty cool.
This wasn't holding anything, I don't think. It just.
Oh, it's like a. So So it's ready to come out.
No, it needs on.
Oh yeah, it needs disconnected from the wires.
We may have to get that from the top, bub. Oh, that's good. Oh, I left my light under there.
Oh jeez. There it is, guys. There's the light.
Put this in the tray there on the lift arm. So there's the starter over there, and there's the gobble wires that need to come off. Yeah, it probably is. Suzuki's usually aren't that easy to work on, I heard. Yeah, these probably ought to, before I knock them down.
So far it ain't so bad.
No, it's just getting it wiggled out and getting the wires off.
Now you go up underneath probably to do the wires.
That's possible.
Would be my guess. Because they're not giving you enough wire to. They're not giving you enough wire to pull it out.
There it is, guys. It's
Key.
out.
Nose first.
You gotta go down, I think. I think one of those two.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, there it is. There's the new one.
That's something you have to put on yourself.
The heat shield, I think.
Oh, yeah, it's got the screws for it, look.
Okay.
You know the same.
Okay, it's going. After the starter replacement in this
Suzuki.
You got a socket. I want to make sure that's.
Oh.
I'm sure it's tight.
Okay, here we go.
See if those any sparks.
Damn, that's a lot quicker. I'd say that was a problem.
It never cranked that fast since day one. Wow. Yeah, it never cranked this fast. Oh.
Sweet.
Yeah. There it is.
Damn, that's a lot quicker.